Hi everyone, welcome back to another amazing recipe, and today we are going to see how to make mutton ghee roast. This delicious mutton recipe, which is basically mutton dry fry or dry roast, is made with aromatic spices along with ghee or clarified butter and can be served and enjoyed with dosas, rice or roti or just as an appetizer. So let's begin with this interesting and delicious mutton ghee roast recipe. So first I'm going to make the aromatic spice mix or masala. For that we'll heat a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a tablespoon of fennel seeds or soft. Then I'm adding around 20 to 25 kali mirch or black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 star anise, 2 green cardamoms or hari elaichi, 3 to 4 cloves or long, 1 small dalchini or cinnamon stick. And now on low to medium flame we will dry roast them until they turn aromatic. And once the seed starts to crackle, we will add 4 to 5 Kashmiri dry red chilies. We'll roast them again for a few seconds. And these are done now, so we'll turn off the flame and allow them to cool down slightly. So I transferred the roasted spices into a grinder jar and grind them into a coarse powder. So you can see the spice mix is coarse now, and now into this we will add 2 tablespoons of curd or dahi along with a splash of water, and now again we'll grind this into a smooth paste. Let's shake this now, and our smooth spice mix or masala is ready for our mutton ghee roast. And here I have taken around 750 grams of mutton with bones, and now I'm going to marinate them by adding some salt as per taste. Next goes around half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, followed by the flavorful spice mix or masala which we had prepared earlier. Now let's mix all the ingredients well along with the mutton, and we will let them rest for at least half an hour. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that we will heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter in a kadhai. And as the ghee melts completely, we will add around 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame, we will saute the onion, ginger, garlic well until they turn golden brown in color. And once the color of onion, ginger, garlic slightly changes, we will add the marinated mutton pieces into the kadhai. And now on medium to high flame, we will fry the mutton for at least 8 to 10 minutes until the raw smell of the mutton goes away and the color of the mutton pieces changes to brown in color. So till now I have been stirring the mutton continuously on high flame, and now I will reduce the flame to medium and stir the mutton in between so that the spices doesn't get burned at the bottom of the kadhai. By now the mutton has been fried well along with the onion, ginger, garlic and the spice mix. And now I'm going to transfer the mutton into a pressure cooker for faster cooking. And now into this we will add some water from the bowl where I had marinated the mutton. We will stir this once, and we will pressure cook the mutton on medium flame for at least 4 to 5 whistles. And after the steam has been released naturally, we will check the mutton once. So they are well cooked and have turned soft and tender. And now again I'm going to transfer the mutton back into the kadhai. And we will let the mutton simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes or until the consistency thickens slightly. And as the mutton simmers in the gravy, we will add 2 green chillies and some curry leaf which has been tempered in desi ghee for that perfect flavor and aroma which is so very integral while making mutton ghee roast. So now we need to stir the mutton along with the masala for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the consistency of the masala thickens, just like how we make mutton or chicken masala fry recipes. And by now our mutton ghee roast is ready to be served and enjoyed hot. And today I'm going to enjoy this delicious mutton fry recipe with tawa roti, but you can enjoy it with dosa, steamed rice, or simply as an appetizer or starter. So friends, I hope you'll try this delicious mutton recipe soon. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks. You can also check out my other interesting mutton and chicken recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy cooking everyone.